Ever heard people talk about Layer 1 and Layer 2 blockchains and wondered, what's the difference? It sounds complex, but it's actually simple. Let's break down how crypto is scaling fast. Let's start with Layer 1. These are the base blockchains, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. They handle transactions directly on their own networks. Every time someone sends crypto or interacts with a smart contract, it's recorded on that blockchain. They offer high security and decentralization, but there's a problem: speed and cost. As more users join, these networks often get congested and fees skyrocket. That's where Layer 2 comes in. What is a Layer 2 blockchain? These are networks built on top of Layer 1 blockchains to help with scalability. They process most transactions off the main chain and only send summaries back to Layer 1 to be validated and permanently stored on it. This reduces gas fees, increases transaction speed, and lightens the load on the base network. Popular Layer 2 solutions include Arbitrum, which is a side chain designed to scale Ethereum, Optimism, another roll-up-based solution focused on compatibility with Ethereum, and Polygon, a Layer 2 that uses multiple scaling methods, including side chains and roll-ups. Why Layer 2s are key to crypto's future? Layer 2s are essential for mass adoption. Example: imagine paying $50 just to send $20. It doesn't work for everyday users. Layer 2 solutions make crypto apps usable at scale, whether it's DeFi, NFTs, or gaming. To sum it up, Layer 1 is the foundation, and Layer 2 is the upgrade that makes crypto faster and cheaper. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and follow ByteCrypto Academy. Master crypto, one byte at a time.